This video covers some basic NMAxe operation in a simple way. If you double-click the button at the bottom left corner of the NMAxe, it will circle through different pages like the mining main interface, power consumption dashboard, computing power, health, and mining main interface. We'll be adding even more pages soon. Just now press the button on the bottom left of the device, and it will restart with the black screen. At that point, the NMAxe will go into the configuration mode. You can use your phone or computer to look for the device AB signal, which will be something like the NMAxe XSX. Once connected to that, you will be able to set up the NMAxe parameters. Just like in the video, grab a pen or something sharp to press down on the button until the screen goes back and the device restarts. This will wipe out all the settings and take everything back to the original factory setup. That means you'll lose your Wi-Fi name, password, runtime, mining difficult settings, and more. After that, you'll need to set up the NMAxe again. AM Monitor is the handy tool that lets you keep your eyes on an AM miner and NMAxe devices right from your NAND. We've got the client version from Windows and the web version for Mac OS, but let's focus on the Windows client from now. First, check out the video, download the Windows client from GitHub. And just double click the install and install it. If you run into the issues with missing dependencies like in the video, follow instructions shown here to get those sorted out. If everything goes smoothly, you will be all set. Monitor all the M-Tag group devices on your NAND. When your NMAxe is working fine, it turns off the Wi-Fi connection, so you won't be able to find NMAxe XSX network at that moment. To get back to the NMAxe management page, you'll need to connect your computer or phone to the same Wi-Fi that the NMAxe is using. Basically, your computer and NMAxe need to be on the same network. Once you're connected, just pop the IP address from the top right corner of the NMAxe screen into your browser. It'll look something like the 192.168.123.81 in the video, but keep in mind that the exact IP will based on your home setup, so we can't provide that info. If everything's working as it should, you will see the admin page like in the video, where you can check the MS status and find a quick link to check for your device info in the mining pool. Just click that to see the details.